Understanding the difference between negative ions and ozone is going to help you to buy a quality product. And understanding the difference between negative ion and negative ions and ozone is going to help you ensure that you're doing good to your body instead of accidentally doing bad to your body. Negative ions have no smell. They literally have no smell. They're completely and utterly odorless. So if you have a very strong ionizer, you have a very well-designed ionizer, you're going to have something that produces absolutely no smell whatsoever. It's just going to be taking the smells out of the air, but it's not going to be masking any smells with a new odor. And a lot of ionizers that you buy that do come with a very strong smell actually come with a lot of ozone. So these products are producing a lot of ozone as a byproduct, and ozone is exceptionally bad for your health. If you Google the effects of ozone on the human body, the effects of ozone on the lungs, the effects of ozone on the overall health of people, then you're going to find that prolonged exposure to ozone is very, very, very bad for you. So if you're going to buy an ionizer and you're expecting a very strong smell, you've unfortunately in the past had a very bad ionizer, and negative ionizers should not be producing any smells. And in the UK especially, I don't know about the US or other countries, but in the UK, if you're working in an environment that has any levels of ozone for that matter, then it's regulated by health and safety law. So your employer has to do certain things to protect you. And depending on the ozone level, it will depend on how long you're allowed to spend in a place with ozone. But as far as I'm concerned, and as far as anyone should be concerned, spending any amount of time in an area that has ozone is damaging to your health, so you're not doing yourself any good. If you're buying an ionizer because you want to improve your health, you want to improve your breathing, and it's producing any sorts of smells, then you're losing out. A lot of people associate negative ions with ozone, and I really don't understand why, because you're doing yourself so much harm. So our products, we have, as far as I'm concerned, the best products in the world. They produce trillions upon trillions of negative ions, and there's no smell whatsoever. And sometimes we have people wanting to return them because they receive them and they're like, well, I can't smell anything. You're not supposed to smell anything. If you can smell something, you're smelling ozone, and all you need to do is a quick Google check and it will show you all these reasons, all these studies, all these findings, all these articles about why ozone is bad for you. So if you're going to buy a quality negative ion generator, not having a smell come with it, like not the product not producing a smell, is the most important thing that you can do, because you want to make sure that you're getting negative ions, but you're not getting the ozone. The ozone is going to do so much damage to you. So please take this message into consideration, and don't just take my word for it. Do a little bit of research by yourself. Look into ozone, look what it does, look how it smells, look how it smells. Just see what it smells like, and then check the product that you have at home, or check the product that you've bought, or check the product that you're going to buy, because ozone is very, very important. Ozone is produced when ionizers are badly designed. So if you find an ionizer that's extremely compact, or the emission point is very deep in the product, you're going to find it's producing a lot of ozone. If the product is producing a lot of noise, then you're going to find it's producing a lot of ozone. So I'm not going to be talking about our competitors or pointing out products that are very bad. I just want you to be able to tell for yourself. If you're buying a product, it's producing a strong smell, it's producing a lot of ozone, and ozone is very, very toxic. If you look up an ozone generator, like the product is supposed to be producing ozone, 9 times out of 10, the product on the actual product body will say, do not use in an occupied space. And the reason they say this is because ozone is so very, very damaging to your body. So if anyone has any follow-up questions, please put them in the comment section. I will be happy to talk more about this because it's something I'm very passionate about. And if anyone wants to compare what I believe is the best product in the world, and actually if you take output and all the specs of what our products do and compare it to everything else on the market, our products are the best. But if you want to talk a bit more about this, or you have any follow-up questions, or you have anything else that you would like me to discuss, actually any suggestions on videos when it comes to negative ions and health, then please say so, and I can try my best to make a good video that talks about all these things. So thank you very much. All the best in your hunt, and if you do have some time, check out our products and then compare them to what else is on the market, and we hope to see you as a customer.